Recalculate the equity, and step 2, same way for the long-term assets. Enjoy the video. Obviously, in this first step, we're going to build our data table, and then we're going to update the equity's value based on the price per share, shares outstanding, which will result in the market capitalization. That's how we're going to update the Caterpillar's equity value or market value. Looking for private Excel classes? Need to get done a research paper, fix a document, or a class routine? If yes, you are on the right place. Scan the QR code or go to the channel bio and click on any of the links indicated. Bye bye. Okay, for the further steps, just bring back the information from the previous worksheets by typing the plus key or the equal key into the formula bar. step is key to make sure that the total assets must be equal to the equity value. Finally, we learned how to update the market value of a corp from its book value by multiplying its price per share by its shares outstanding. See you for the next topic. This was Hex DNF, the market's approach.